Fixing the C drive space issue on Windows operating system. If your computer reports that the C drive is out of space, you're likely encountering a situation where your Windows operating system becomes extremely slow. You might not be able to install any new programs or download any files. First, let us understand what is causing the C drive space issue to ensure we have control over the consumption of the volume. C drive consists of program files where every application you have installed takes up the space. Every file downloaded from your browser is stored on the C drive. Your pictures, videos, recordings, documents, Windows system files, user data, drivers, Outlook client files, and so on take up the space from your C drive. Imagine C drive bursting out one day like a volcano. In order to figure this out, open your browser and type Tree Software in the search option and hit enter. Click on the tree size free jam software and you can easily find the link in the below description of the video as well. We would quickly download the free version of the tree size software and proceed for the installation. This program would not take more than 50 MB of space but is very effective. Please note that we need to run this program as an administrator. Once the program launched, we need to select the C drive and under Options, select the user interface and select Detect automatically. We would be able to see the space allocated to different programs and files in detail, and based on that, we can delete the files or move the files to another drive. Now, my Windows machine has one drive split into two partitions. Ensure the other drive is free without any files. In my case, it is F drive. I would open the disk management, select the F drive which is 100% free, delete the volume, right-click on the C drive, select Extend Volume. The deleted volume space would appear in this wizard. Click on Next and Finish. And here we have added up space to the C drive and now we have around 40% of the space left. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.